Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we have here the Colmi P73 Smartwatch. Okay, one of the latest smartwatch from the brand Colmi. And as you can see here, it is a rugged smartwatch, or it is an outdoor smartwatch. Okay, with a sporty look. So if you are planning to get one, the Colmi P73, watch this video first so that you can decide whether this smartwatch is for you or not. It's the Colmi P73 smartwatch. So we are going to check on the specs, the design, and the features of this wearable. Okay, just the basic features. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. Let's check on the Colmi P73 Smartwatch, an outdoor smartwatch with a sporty design. And as you can see here from the packaging, it is somewhat similar, okay, still simple packaging. It is somewhat similar to the popular P71 smartwatch, just the same as you can see here. Okay, just different image, and of course the label here, but just the same style of packaging. So we are going to check on this. So let's have the unboxing. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's remove the plastic. Okay, then let's check on the specs. Okay, so we already removed the plastic. Again, this is the P73 smartwatch. So we have here some of its features. So let's focus on the features here. Again, we have call function. I don't know if this is just a message not or call notification or Bluetooth call. We'll check on that. Calorie counter, heart rate, sleep monitoring, sports mode, weather notifications, and shutter, remote photo control. For the specs, we have it here. 1.9 inch 240 by 284 pixel resolution. So processor is JL713, 300 mAh battery, IP68. So let's check. Can we remove this? No. So we have this color. Okay. And we have the smartwatch. We have the charging cable, magnetic charging cable. Where's the user manual? Okay, so we have the user manual. Okay, Colmi P73. And we have here the support app. So what is the support app here? Are you familiar with this one? Pubu support app, PUBU support app. And we have the sporty looking smartwatch. Let me see. Wow, it looks okay. It looks good so far. We have the PC material, as you can see here. Okay, so I'm good with this design. It's okay. I'm impressed. It's a simple but sporty smartwatch. Looks like an outdoor smartwatch with 2 physical buttons. Let's remove this. Okay, it looks nice so far. It looks good. We have a quick release pin here, so it's easy to replace it with other third-party strap. Flexible silicone strap with plastic buckle with the brand name Colmi here. The body frame here, piece of material at the back without any label. On the side, yes, still PC material. So it's a plastic body frame, but it looks okay. It looks nice. Okay, 2 physical buttons here. Again, what's the specs? We have 1.9 inch 240 by 284 pixel resolution, IP68, so it is waterproof, watertight. Again, let's have a closer look at the design here. Let's focus on the smartwatch. Okay, it looks nice. Not that quality close to the rugged outdoor smartwatch of Cospet, but if you want an affordable outdoor wearable, I think this one is okay. This one is good. It is the Colmi P73. Okay, not the M41, Colmi M41 if I'm not mistaken, with a steel body frame. So this one, this has a PC body frame. I think it is also lightweight. Let's see. Okay, if you want a lightweight outdoor wearable, I think this one is a good pick, I think. So 00, I think this will just less than 50 grams, if I'm not mistaken. As you can see here, very lightweight. Just 40 grams in total weight. Okay, very lightweight wearable, and the thickness also is so impressive. Okay, very slim body frame. 9, as you can see. And here we have 44. Okay, medium size outdoor style smartwatch from Colmi, the Colmi P73 Smartwatch. I think I like the look of this compared to the total black color. Let's check on the display. We do hope that we still have a power. And we have, wow, that is very fast. Okay, let's see if we can change the watch face here. Let's see the black border. Oops. Okay, so here, as you can see, on the top, left, and right, we have a slim black border, but on the bottom part, it's a bit wide. Okay, so if you want a total slim or very full screen display of the time, just pick a black color background, just like this. And let's pick another one. This one is also okay. Oh no, I want a total black color. This one is okay so far, as you can see. Okay, so again, 1.9 inch with a 240 by 284 pixel resolution. So this is your Colmi P73 smartwatch. A good looking, sporty, outdoor style wearable from Colmi. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.